broken nails, constant peeling, or that feeling when your nails just won't grow no matter what you do, it can get really frustrating. A lot of people think the only solution is to load up on supplements, change their diet, or spend a lot at the salon. But here's the truth, you don't actually need to do all that. In this video, I'm going to share with you the most practical, effective, and natural tips that will actually help your nails grow faster and stronger, things you can start doing right away. Tip number 1, protect your nails from water. Have you ever noticed your nails feel soft after a long shower or when you're doing the dishes? That's because nails are porous. They absorb water, and when they swell, they become weak and more likely to peel or break. If this happens every single day, it stops your nails from ever getting long. That's why wearing gloves while doing chores like washing dishes or laundry is such a game changer. It keeps your nails from over-soaking, so they stay hard, strong, and able to grow out. Tip number 2, avoid harsh chemicals directly on nails. Harsh products like acetone removers, bleach, or cleaning solutions strip your nails of natural oils and leave them dry and brittle. Over time, this leads to peeling and cracking. A really simple fix is to always use a base coat before applying nail polish. It acts like a shield for your natural nail. And when it's time to remove your polish, choose non-acetone removers whenever you can. Tip number 3, massage your nails and cuticles. Think of your nails like your hair. They grow from a root. Massaging your nails and cuticles improves blood circulation around that root, which signals your body to produce healthier nail growth. You don't need fancy tools. Just rub a little cuticle oil, hand cream, or even plain olive oil into your nails for a few minutes each day. Not only does this stimulate growth, but it also keeps your cuticles soft and prevents hangnails. Tip number 4, keep them slightly short at first. When your nails are weak, it's tempting to let them grow long right away, but that almost always leads to snapping. The trick is to start short. Keep them at a manageable length while they're building strength. Once they're healthier and less fragile, you can slowly let them grow longer without worrying that they'll break off at the slightest bump. Tip number 5, give them breaks from polish. Even though nail polish looks cute, wearing it nonstop can actually suffocate your nails. Yes, even strengthening polishes can cause dryness or discoloration if you never give your nails a chance to breathe. That's why it's important to have nail breaks. Every 2 weeks, go bare for a few days. During this time, load up on moisture, oil, cream, or nail balm to let your natural nails recover and strengthen. Tip number 6, be gentle with your hands. This one sounds obvious, but it makes the biggest difference. Don't use your nails as tools. That means no prying open soda cans, no scratching labels off bottles, no picking at things. Every time you use your nails that way, you create tiny cracks that eventually cause the whole nail to break. Think of your nails as jewels, not tools. If you treat them gently, they'll reward you by growing longer without constant setbacks. Tip number 7, stick to one consistent nail length. This is a little trick most people don't think about. When one nail breaks, it's tempting to leave the others long, but uneven nail lengths put uneven stress on your hands, which makes the rest more likely to break too. Filing all your nails down to match may feel like a setback, but in reality, it keeps your growth journey consistent and balanced. Tip number 8, file before they snag. The second you notice a rough edge or a little snag, don't ignore it. Those tiny imperfections are how cracks start. Keep a small glass or crystal file in your bag and smooth it out immediately. These kinds of files are gentler than cheap emery boards and seal the nail edge, which helps prevent peeling and splitting. This one little habit can save weeks of nail growth. Tip number 9, alternate between short and medium length. Your nails naturally go through weak phases, and if you try to push past those phases by keeping them too long, they'll just break. Instead, alternate when they start feeling weak. Trim them down slightly, let them regrow stronger, and then allow them to get longer again. It's like strength training for your nails. This cycle prevents big breaks and helps you maintain healthy growth over time. Tip number 10. Avoid frequent nail extensions. Extensions might look glamorous, but if you keep getting them back to back, they can seriously damage your natural nails. The drilling, filing, and strong glue thin out your nail plate, making your real nails weak, brittle, and more prone to infections. That's why it's important to give your nails breaks. If you still want the look of long, polished nails, try switching to press-ons. They're reusable, easier to remove, and way less damaging than constant acrylics or gels. Your natural nails will thank you in the long run. So, if you really want longer, stronger nails naturally, it's all about the small habits you do every single day. Protect them from water and chemicals, moisturize like crazy, file smartly, and give them breaks when needed. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty advice. Don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite nail care tip or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.